Here are 5 vitamins you need to lower your cholesterol. Niacin. Niacin is a B vitamin that can reduce your LDL, bad cholesterol and triglycerides, fats, and increase your HDL, good cholesterol. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that can boost your immune system and prevent infections that may affect your cholesterol levels. It also helps your body make collagen, a protein that supports your blood vessels and prevents plaque buildup. You can get vitamin C from citrus fruits, berries, peppers, broccoli, and supplements. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is a hormone that helps your body absorb calcium and phosphorus, which are important for your bone health. It also helps regulate your blood pressure and inflammation, which can affect your cholesterol levels. You can get vitamin D from sunlight, fatty fish, eggs, fortified foods, and supplements. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is another antioxidant that can protect your cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can damage your cholesterol and blood vessels. It also helps prevent blood clots and improve blood flow. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is a B vitamin that helps your body make red blood cells, which carry oxygen to your tissues. It also helps your body use and store energy from carbohydrates and fats. Vitamin B6 may lower your homocysteine levels, which are linked to higher cholesterol and heart disease.